The EyeOnWater app has lots of great information that will help you learn about your water usage. In the At a Glance section at the top, you can see if you're using more or less water than you used the previous week. At the far left is the percentage increase or decrease from the previous week. To the right of that, you can see the amount of water used during the last 7 days versus what you used during previous 7 days, as well as the daily average usage in gallons over the past 30 days. The graph on the right shows you more usage detail over the past 7 days. If you mouse over any of the bars, you'll see how much water you used on a given day and compare it to the same day in the previous week. The horizontal green line running through the chart shows you your 30-day average water use. The Your Meter section located at the bottom left shows your read frequency, which explains how often EyeOnWater reads your water frequency. The Meter Read section explains your last meter reading. Next Update shows when your next meter read is scheduled. To the right of this is the consumption graph, which shows water use over a period of time. The default setting will show your daily water use. However, the button at the top enables you to change the time frame. If you mouse over any of the bars, you will again be able to see how much water you used. By clicking the More Options button, you can change units of measurement of the chart and add temperature and precipitation overlays. If you wish to export or print your graph, select the Export Data button. The Export Data dialog box will appear. Enter a start and end date for your data range, and if desired, select a different read interval or unit of measurement. Click Start Data Export. When the export is complete, you can download the results file by clicking the Click to Download link. This will open an Excel file that contains all of the requested information. EyeOnWater is a comprehensive way to monitor and understand your water use. For more information, check out the help option at the top of the screen or contact Liberty directly. We are here to help. Liberty, energy and water for life.